There are a lot of 1969 Camaros out there, but every once in a while, one comes along that makes you forget about all the rest. This build by All Speed Customs out of Muskegon, Michigan, is one of those cars. Finished in a head-turning Lamborghini orange tri-coat with bold black racing stripes, this Camaro is not just a Restomod. It is a complete reimagining of what the first-generation F-body can be. All Speed Customs performed a ground-up restoration and rebuild on this car, touching every single component from frame to roof. The one-off bodywork sets it apart immediately. Custom fender flares, a sculpted front chin spoiler, side vents behind the front wheels, and a smooth rear panel give the car a wider, more aggressive stance that the factory never imagined. Underneath that gorgeous skin sits a Detroit Speed hydroformed front subframe, one of the most respected bolt-in suspension systems in the pro touring world. It replaces the entire factory front end with modern geometry, and it is paired with a Detroit Speed Quadralink rear suspension with mini tubs to fit those massive rear tires. This is not a car that just looks fast. It handles like a modern sports car. Stopping power comes from a full Baer brake system with 6 piston calipers and 14-inch rotors at all 4 corners. The wheels are deep dish alloys that fill the custom fender flares perfectly, wrapped in wide performance rubber that puts all that power to the pavement. Speaking of power, under the custom louvered hood sits a GM LS7, the 7-liter naturally aspirated V8 that came from the factory pushing over 500 horsepower. In this application, it delivers a raw, high-revving power band that screams all the way to 7,000 RPM. Mated to a 6-speed manual transmission, this is a proper driver's car with total engagement every time you get behind the wheel. The exhaust system runs through custom stainless steel headers and exits through dual tips at the rear, delivering a deep, throaty soundtrack that matches the car's aggressive personality. Every component under the car is finished and detailed as if it were on permanent display. Step inside and the interior matches the level of detail found throughout the rest of the build. Custom Recaro-style seats are upholstered in black leather with diamond-stitched inserts and orange accent stitching that ties directly to the exterior color. The door panels are custom fabricated with matching materials and integrated speaker pods. The dashboard retains its classic layout, but has been completely modernized. A custom gauge cluster keeps you informed, while a billet steering wheel puts the finishing touch on the driver-focused cockpit. The center console features custom panels and integrated electronics, and vintage air keeps things comfortable no matter how hard you push it. The attention to detail on this build extends to every angle you look at. The ASC badge sits proudly on the fender, and the tri-coat orange paint changes tone under different lighting, going from a deep amber to a bright electric orange that commands attention everywhere it goes. Standing back and taking it all in, this 1969 Camaro represents the best of what the pro touring movement has to offer. It respects the classic lines of the original while pushing the boundaries of performance and craftsmanship in every direction. Built by All Speed Customs in Muskegon, Michigan,